Good morning, students. Welcome to Sri Academy online platform. Class 7th Mathematics, chapter number 17, Construction. Today we will discuss exercise 17A and 17B. So let's start. First one is draw a line AB and take a point P outside it. Draw a line CD parallel to AB and passing through the point P. So, first of all, draw a line with the help of step of construction. We draw, we write a step of construction and draw the required diagram. So, let's start. In first step, draw a line segment AB. So, here AB is drawn. After that, take a point Q. This is the point Q on AB and point P outside AB. This is the point P outside AB and join PQ. And now you will join PQ. Okay. Now after that, with Q as the center, any radius, draw an arc to cut AB at X and PQ at Z. With the help of compass, take radius or any radius, cut with the take Q as center and cut an arc AB at X and PQ at Z. After that, with P as center and same radius, draw an arc cutting QP at Y. Now after that, take P as center and again with the same center that cut QX and QZ, cut PQ at Y and after that with y as the center and the radius equal to xz, means x and z. This is x and z. Taking the length of this radius, cut previous arc at E. You have to cut from this arc at E. Okay, from Y with the y as center. From Y you have to cut E. Take a point E, and now after that, join PE it on both sides to get the required line. Joint PE, okay, and increase in to the both side and we will get required line. So again first step of construction, draw a line AB, take a point Q on AB and point P outside AB and join PQ with Q as the center and any radius. Draw an arc to cut AB at X and PQ at Z. With P as center, the same radius, draw an arc cutting QP at Y. With Y as the center and the radius equal to XZ, draw an arc to cut previous arc at E. Join PE and produce it on both the side to get the required line. Okay, next question. Draw a line AB and draw another line CD parallel to AB at a distance of 3.5 centimeter from it. So this is the step of construction. With the help of step of construction we will draw the required diagram. So let's start. Let AB as the given line. This is the line AB. Take any 2 point PQ and PQ and Q on AB. P and Q on AB. It should be not here Q. Okay, P and Q on AB. So we will take a point P and this is the point Q. Construct angle BPE 90 degree and angle BQF 90 degree. Okay, with the help of compass we have already know how to make 90-degree angle. First of all, take an arc, cut this line from here, okay, here, and again from take it at center, again cut this line, and now with the help of this cut here and with the help of this center cut here, and now you can make this line. This is the 90-degree line and same as point Q you can make QS. So sorry, QF line and QPE line. So we know how to make angle BPE 90 degree and angle BQF 90 degree. After drawing this with P as center, and the radius equal to 3.5 centimeter, with the help of compass and ruler take a length of 3.5 centimeter. cut QF at S. QF को S पे काटना है और PE को R पे काट देना है, और उसके बाद join CD produced it on either side to get the required line parallel to AB at the distance of 3.5 centimeter. First of all, you have to join R and S and produce it from both side, and now you will get the required diagram. Okay, now another, draw a line L and draw another line M parallel to L at the distance of 4.5 centimeter. Same procedure will be taken here like previous question. So I need to move ahead. Next question. Okay students, construct a triangle ABC in which BC equal to 3.6 centimeter, AB equal to 5 centimeter and AC equal to 4.5 centimeter. Draw a line segment AB 5 centimeter. This is the line segment AB of length 5 centimeter. Construct angle CBA along at point C, cut by measure 5.4 centimeter. Draw point A and join AC. From point B as 3.6 centimeter, a radius cut at point C and joined BC here. Then triangle ABC is the required triangle. Now this is the required triangle with B as center and radius measuring then half of BC. This is the half of BC. Draw arc on both sides of BC. Draw an arc of both sides of BC. Okay. Now after that, with C as center and the radius, same radius, before draw an arc on both sides BC, cut the previous arc at P and Q and show join PQ. You have to join PQ. After that, draw an arc on both sides of BC, cutting the previous arc at P and Q as shown join PQ. PQ को ज्वाइन कर देना है A से सेंटर लेके, या नहीं भी करना है, परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर BC का यहाँ पे बन जाएगा. देन PQ इज रिक्वायर्ड परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर ऑफ BC मीटिंग BC एट M. इस परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर जहाँ पे ये दोनों बाइसेक्ट हो रहे हैं वहाँ पे पॉइंट दे देंगे M. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, construct a triangle PQR in which QR 6 cm, PQ 4.4 cm and PR 5.3 cm. Draw a bisector of angle P. So with the help of step of construction, we can draw the required diagram. Draw line segment QR of length 6 cm. QR, we have to draw the line 6 cm and named it QR. Draw an arc of 4.4 cm and 5.3 cm from Q and R respectively. From Q, 4.4 cm arc will be cut, and from R, 5.3 cm arc will be cut together, and draw an QR meet at point P, where line Q and line R both will be meet at point P. Now after that, draw an arc of any radius from center P. From the center P, draw an arc any radius. Cut PQ at S and PR at T. From P as center, cut the PQ line at S and PR line at T. After that, with S as the center, take S as center. Now again cut this here, and from T as center take an arc. Okay. Join P and X after from where the both are cut together, give it the name X and joined PX. Okay, now then the PX is the bisector of angle P. PX is the bisector of angle P. Okay, now again next question. Draw line segment. Construct. Here you have to write steps of construction. Construct an equilateral triangle, each of whose side measure 6.2 centimeter. Measure each one of its angle. So first of all, Draw a line segment BC equal to 6.2 centimeter. You have to draw a line 6.2 centimeter. Again, draw arc of 6.2 centimeter from B and C. You have to draw an arc 6.2 centimeter cut here from B, and again same length cut here from C as center. Then intersect at A and the intersecting point of both arc and named it point A. By the protractor, finding the measure of each angle of AB, triangle ABC, and the measure of each angle is 60 degree. Yes, we can find the, we clearly note that the angle sum properties of triangle, that all the angles of a equilateral triangle, uh, we clearly know that the sum of all three angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree, and in equilateral triangle all angles are equal, so 180 is divided by 3 and we can get 60 degree, and by the help of protractor we find that all three angles is equal to 60 degree. Okay, next, draw an arc of length 3.8 centimeter. This is the length of 3.8. First of all, we have to read question na. So construct a triangle ABC in which AB is equal to 3.8 centimeter, angle A is equal to 60 degree, and AC is equal to 5.5 centimeter. So draw AB of length 3.8 centimeter. We draw AB of length 3.8 centimeter. Draw angle BAC 60 degree. With the help of compass we know how can make the 60 degree angle. Okay, and after that, with the center as A, cut a ray AZ. You have to cut AZ at 5 centimeter at C. This should be the length of 5 centimeter. AC length is given here 5 centimeter. So cut with the help of compass and ruler, take a length of 5 centimeter and cut this AZ at C. Now join BC. After that you have to join BC. Then ABC is the required triangle. Now you can get how to, this is the required triangle. Okay, now next question. Construct triangle ABC in which BC is equal to 4 centimeter and angle C is 45 centimeter, 45 degree, and AC is 6 centimeter. Same procedure will be taken to draw this diagram. So I need to move ahead. Next question. Construct triangle ABC in which BC 6.2 centimeter, angle B 60 degree, and angle C is 45 degree. Now draw a line BC 6.2 centimeter. We draw the length BC 6.2 centimeter. Draw angle BCX. This is the BCX. No, here is written wrong. You show CBX and BCA. BCY, sorry. Draw, don't forget. Okay, I will rectify here. Here will be angle BCY and CBX. Okay, intersect at A. The angle BCX, sorry, BCY should be 60 degree. How to make 60 degree? Here is the diagram. And angle CBX should be 45 degree. Okay, then the ray CX and BY intersect at A. You have to intersect after drawing both angles. The line BX and CY intersect at each other at point A. Then ABC is the required triangle. Now after that you will get the required triangle. Next one is construct a triangle in which BC is equal to 5.8 centimeter, angle B is equal to 30 centimeter. Measure AB and AC. What do you observe? Draw BC 5.8 centimeter. We draw BC 5.8 centimeter. AB is equal to AC is equal to 3.4. With the help of ruler and compass, we draw a line 3.4 centimeter from both point B and C and intersect at A. Then ray BX and CY intersect at A. Yes, clearly know that. Then ABC is the required triangle. Okay, now another question. Construct a triangle ABC in which AB is equal to 7 centimeter, angle A is 45 centimeter and angle C is 75 centimeter. Same as the question previous question. So let's start. From first we have to calculate all the three angles of this triangle. Here is given that hence angle A is 45 degree and angle C is 75 degree. So therefore angle A plus angle B plus angle C should be equal to 180 degree, angle sum property. So 45 degree plus angle A plus 75 degree is equal to 180 degree. Angle B is equal to 180 degree minus 75 plus 45. Here will be get angle B should be 60 degree. Okay, now from this calculation move toward draw a line AB of length 7 centimeter. After that draw angle BAX at 45 degree and angle ABY is equal to 60 degree. After that the ray AX and BY intersect at C. Then ABC is the required triangle. Next question. Construct a triangle ABC in which BC is equal to 4.8 centimeter, angle C is equal to 90 degree and AB is equal to 6.3 centimeter. So draw BC of length 4.8 centimeter, BC of 4.8 centimeter. Draw at point C, here is the point C, that angle C is equal to is 90 degree. You have to draw with the help of compass and ruler 90 degree. Draw an arc of radius 6.3 centimeter from center B. Now from center B cut the line CY at A, join AB and then join AB. Then AB is the required triangle. Now you will get the required triangle. Another question. Construct a right angle triangle on side of which measure 3.5 centimeter and the length of whose hypotenuse is 6 centimeter. So students, you clearly know that in right angle triangle, this is the perpendicular, this is the base and this is the hypotenuse. Okay, so After that, draw line AB 3.5 centimeter. AB is the 3.5 centimeter. Construct angle ABX of 90 degree. Angle ABX, with the help of compass you have to draw 90-degree angle with center A. From center A, draw an arc of radius 6 centimeter cutting BX at C. Okay, you have to draw with the center A. You have to cut BX at C, which length should be 6.6 centimeter. Join AC. Now you have to join AC. Then ABC is the required triangle. After that you will get the required triangle which is asked in the question. Next question. Construct a right triangle having hypotenuse of length 5.6 centimeter, one whose acute angle measure 30 degree. Now you have to do some calculation. In right triangle, one is given 30 degree, and in right angle triangle, one angle is 90 degree. So here should be some calculation. Angle A is equal to 30 degree and angle C is equal to 90 degree. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Sum of angle property, angle sum property. Angle B is equal to 180 degree minus 90 plus 30 degree. You will get angle B is equal to 60 degree. Now after that, draw the hypotenuse AB of length 5.6 centimeter. 5.6 centimeter you have to draw AB hypotenuse. Draw angle BAX 30 degree and angle BAY 60 degree. You have to draw with the help of compass angle BAX of 30 degree and angle ABY of 60 degree. After that, the ray AX and BY intersect at C. You have to intersect AX and BY at C. The ray AX and BY intersect at C. Yes. Then ABC is the required triangle. Now you will get the this is the required triangle where angle ABC is 90 degree, angle BAC is equal to 30 degree and angle ABC is equal to 60 degree. Now this is the exercise of 17A and 17B. In next video we will discuss another exercise. Thank you for watching. Keep watching.